Close your eyes for a moment. Notice your thoughts, your breath, your awareness. Now ask yourself one simple question. Who is noticing all of this? For thousands of years, philosophers, saints, and scientists have tried to understand human consciousness, the mysterious force that allows us to think, feel, dream, and experience life itself. Is consciousness created by the brain? Or is the brain simply a receiver, like a radio, tuning into something far greater? Today, we journey into the science, spirituality, and secrets of consciousness. And by the end of this video, you may begin to see yourself in a completely new way. What is consciousness? In simple words, consciousness means the ability to be aware of your own experience. You are not just seeing. You know that you are seeing. You are not just thinking. You know that you are thinking. Modern neuroscience links consciousness to brain activity, especially networks involved in attention, memory, and perception. But here's the mystery. Scientists can measure brain signals, yet they still cannot explain why experience feels like something. Why does red look red? Why does music feel emotional? Why do you feel like you? This is called the hard problem of consciousness, one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in science. Consciousness in ancient wisdom. Long before modern science, ancient traditions explored consciousness deeply. In Indian philosophy, consciousness is called Chaitanya, the pure awareness behind the mind. The Upanishads say, "You are not the body. You are not the thoughts. You are the witness of all experience." Buddhist teachings describe awareness as clear, open, and ever-present, like the sky behind clouds. Mystics across cultures repeat the same insight. Your true nature is awareness itself. Is it possible that ancient sages discovered something science is only beginning to explore? The brain and awareness. Let's return to science. The brain contains around 86 billion neurons, communicating through electrical and chemical signals. Certain brain regions are linked with conscious experience. The cortex for perception and thinking. The thalamus for sensory integration. The default mode network for the sense of self. But here's something fascinating. During deep meditation, brain activity related to the ego becomes quieter, and people report feelings of unity, timelessness, deep peace. Science can see the brain changing, but the experience itself remains mysterious. Levels of consciousness. Consciousness is not just on or off. It exists in levels. Waking consciousness. Normal daily awareness. Dreaming, the mind creates its own reality. Deep sleep, no thoughts, yet existence continues. Meditative awareness, alert, silent presence. Some researchers also explore flow states, near-death experiences, expanded awareness in deep meditation. All point toward one possibility. Consciousness may be far greater than ordinary thinking. Are you the mind or the observer? Right now, thoughts are appearing in your mind. But notice something subtle. You can observe your thoughts, which means You cannot be the thoughts themselves. Thoughts change. Emotions change. The body changes. Yet something inside you has remained the same since childhood. The silent witness. Many spiritual traditions say, real freedom begins when you recognize yourself as this awareness, not the passing story of the mind. A simple consciousness meditation. Let's try a short practice. Sit comfortably, take a slow breath in, and gently breathe out. Now simply notice sounds around you, sensations in your body, thoughts passing by. Don't control anything. Just observe. Ask quietly inside, who is aware of this moment? Rest in that awareness. Calm, open, silent. This is the doorway to understanding consciousness, not through thinking, but through direct experience. Conclusion: the greatest mystery. Human consciousness may be the greatest mystery in the universe. Through science, we explore its mechanisms. Through meditation, we explore its depth. Through self-inquiry, we discover its truth. And perhaps the final realization is simple. What you are searching for is the very awareness. Reading these words right now, take a slow breath, and remember, you are not just in the universe. The universe is appearing in your consciousness. Now let's do a small meditation exercise. Deep relaxation. Sit comfortably. Allow your body to soften. Release the muscles of the face, the shoulders, the chest. With every slow breath out, feel yourself sinking into calmness. There is nothing to do, nowhere to go. This moment is enough. Focus on breath awareness. Bring gentle attention to your breathing, air flowing in and flowing out. Do not control the breath. Just observe its natural rhythm. If thoughts arise, let them pass like clouds in the sky, and return softly to the breath. Discover the witness. Now notice something deeper. You are aware of the breath, aware of sensations, aware of thoughts. Ask silently, who is aware? Do not search for an answer in words. Just rest in the feeling of awareness itself. Open, silent, peaceful. Rest in pure presence. Let go of all effort. No focus, no control. Awareness simply aware of itself, like the vast sky, unchanged by passing clouds. Rest here, in stillness, in being. Gentle return. Slowly feel the breath deepen. Notice the body again, the space around you. Carry this silence with you into the rest of your day. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. And remember, this peace is always within you. If this journey into consciousness touched something within you, subscribe to our channel for more deep explorations of mind, meditation, and inner peace. And comment below. What do you think consciousness truly is? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you.